You like Dora?
Yeah, castle.
Oh, cool. Do you know how to put Dora in?
No.
You know how to turn it on? Go show me. Let's see what you do here. The laptop. Is it not on? This computer's a little harder because you have to press it in. Our other computer, she would put it right in by herself all the time. Now give me 5. Can you put this movie back in somewhere? Where's the spot? Yeah.
Can't do it. Bye, Shrek.
Yeah.
Bye, Shrek.
Bye, Shrek. Sammy, what did you do today? Did you go to church?
Yeah.
Were you nice?
Yeah. I go to school.
What do you do at school? What's that? Those your songs?
Yeah.
What are the words to the songs? What's the words to this one?
I'm gonna do today.
Yeah. What's the other one? What song's this one? You are my You can see her legs. She gets ant bites. She likes to be naked. So it looks like she got a new one right here. That one's going away. Maybe it's too dark to tell. One right there. One there. Wait, let me show it. One right there. Oh yeah, over here she scratches them. And right there. So then they bleed, huh, Samantha? So then it takes a while for them to get better.
Mom.
Okay, I'll pause it. Say bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you.
Say hi, baby Xander.
Hi, baby Sana.
Hi, Kobe.
Hi, Kobe.
Hi, Kenya.
Hi, Kenya.
Hi, Mercedes.
Hi,
Hi,
Mercedes.
Sunny.
Hi, Sana.
Hi, Bart.
Hi, Bart.
See ya.